trusting habits.
Yeah.
Most dogs are.
Just a few, and she's a farm dog. So
Yeah.
And also, fun fact, Daphne is actually a Donald.
Oh, Daphne is a Donald, not a Daphne.
And the mother was kind of off in the back, so I went around the back and tried to kind of shake some feet and get her over there. The mom liked Sam though, and so every time Sam came around, she would like come over, but then Sam would come back around to get the baby, and she'd come back over.
Oh no.
And so it was this whole big thing, and then Sam eventually was able to grab the baby.
Can you pick her up?
Yeah.
She's not too heavy yet.
That they shed their own wool.
Really?
Yeah, I
Okay.
think they're called like hair sheep.